Nature is the ultimate healer and is full of treasure for mankind. Spending time in nature, feeling the freshness and liveliness of the surroundings will always bring happiness and satisfaction in everyone's daily life. It'll help in both mental as well as physical well-being. Like a morning walk, morning barefoot on the cold grass, playing with animals, exercising outdoors, and gardening. Or simply watering your plants, like I am in this. A few positive effects of doing so is that it improves your mood, reduces feelings of stress or anger, helps you to take time out and feel more relaxed, improves your physical health, improves your confidence and self-esteem. Hi, cutie. Look at that. Helps you be more active, helps you to make new connections, and provides pure support. And you know what? When we nurture a plant, we get connected to it. And that plant, or even tree for that matter, becomes our baby. And this nurturing is not only beneficial for the baby, but also for us as a nurturer. My beauties, and this little one here. If you liked watching this video, please subscribe to my channel for more. I love you.